Hi friends, this is your lesson 13 exit ticket. So friends, for this exit ticket, you are going to be using the pictures up for numbers 1 and number 2 to fill in the place value chart, and then you're going to be filling in this number sentence down here, okay? So you're gonna look to fill in the tens. So how many tens do you have? You're gonna put that number here, and then how many ones do you have? You're gonna put that number here. Then I want you to add together your tens and your ones to see what your final number is, okay? So for example, we have 10, 20, 30. So we have 30. So we have 3 tens, and then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So down here, your number sentence is going to look like 30 plus your ones, 5, equals what? Okay? Same thing for over here. Remember, friends, these both equal a 10, and then here are your ones, okay? So I want you to fill that in here. Then for these two problems down here, we're going to be going and creating a number bond with our first number that's right here, okay? And what I want you to do, just like in your learning video and just like we practiced, we're going to pull out our tens, okay? So this is the number 33. If I pulled out the tens, what number would that be? Hopefully you said 30. And then what would be the ones that are left, okay? Then you are going to put that into your place value chart. So how many tens do you have? And remember, friends, you've got to add up those ones that you have, okay? And then you're going to fill in your ones right here, okay? If you're still confused, go back to your learning video or watch or think about what we did in our practice.